Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites so the rest flows smoothly. First, confirm your network is 4 GHz or dual band and has strong signal where the camera sits. Cameras often struggle with weak Wi-Fi. Next, plug the camera into power and wait for the LED or chime that signals boot. Then open the Google Home app and sign in with the Google account you'll use for device control. Once done, you're ready to add a new device in the app. You now add and configure the camera inside Google Home. Tap the plus sign, choose Setup Device, then New Device in your home. The app scans for the camera's QR or manual code because that authenticates the hardware to your account. The camera may broadcast a temporary hotspot, connect automatically when prompted so the app can send Wi-Fi credentials. After discovery, assign a room and friendly name, enable camera and microphone permissions, and choose storage or subscription options for clips and continuous recording. Finish by testing the live view, motion alerts, and two-way audio so you confirm both video and controls work. Adjust the camera angle as needed because placement affects detection. Make sure firmware is current in the device settings and perform a reboot if the stream is choppy. Updates often resolve stability issues. If setup fails, perform a factory reset and re-add the camera, and double-check your router SSID too. 4 versus 5 GHz configuration, and Wi-Fi password for hidden errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.